If you deploy plane evacuation slide, which comes out of the plane during emergency, it will cost you lots of money. Actually, this evacuation slide is present in all the planes so that it can be deployed quickly during emergency and all the passengers can get out quickly. And it is near the slide door, which can be deployed by pressing a button or lever. It is so durable that it can withstand temperatures up to 900 degrees Celsius. And if the plane lands in the water, it also works as a life-saving boat. But once it is deployed, it breaks down, and it takes hundreds of thousands to fix it and fill the gas.